So welcome back to a wonderful section of our gadget importation training, and this is the third part of the training. So where I'm going to explain to you how you can get your USA shipping warehouse address if you are in Nigeria. Okay, so you have to come to the site here. This is the site name, shiptoniger.com. They are very much legit and they have been into the business for a very long time. You can scroll down and read. So welcome back to a wonderful section of our gadget importation training, and this is the third part of the training. So where I'm going to explain to you how you can get your USA shipping warehouse address if you are in Nigeria. Okay, so you have to come to the site here. This is the site name, shiptoniger.com. They are very much legit and they have been into the business for a very long time. You can scroll down and read everything about the site, read previous feedback from various customers across the world. So these are the things they have done in the past. Now for you, if you have any business with this company, you will have to enter your track number here to check if your goods has been delivered to them. And whatever address you have from this company, also you can use it to shop on any USA website. So and they will deliver your goods to your country. So now, as a Nigerian, the next thing I'm going to do is to come to the top here where you see join now. Click on join now. So when you click on join now, you have to fill in all this necessary information. So you guys can see, and whatever step I took here is the same thing you have to do from your own end here, whichever country you are coming from. So I will start from here. So the title is Mr. Then the first name, I'm going to enter the first name. Then the last name, I'm going to enter it here. Then my email address. Okay, I have to retype. Okay, so I have to enter my password. Why emails not match? What happened? Oh, so now it has been correct. So my password here. So you need to set a strong password. You can see password strength. So you have to retype the password. So if you are not sure of whatever you type, you can click on this eye icon to see your password. Now you can see my country is already been set at a default Nigerian. So if you are not in Nigeria, just click and choose other country. So these are the few country this company can deliver to. So they can deliver, they can pick up your goods for you in Australia, Austria, Benin Republic, Burkina Faso, Canada, China, and Malaysia, Mexico, Nigeria, South Africa, United Arab Emirates, that is Dubai, UK, and United States of America. So these are the places whereby if you use their address to purchase, you will get your goods delivered to you in Nigeria. Okay, so I'm going to enter the phone number. So you need to enter the right phone number that they can use to reach you when they want to call you. Okay, now you need to understand the fact that the first digit number has been taken care of by your country code. So the next number is going to be, so which means simply means that you have to omit the first phone number, the first number of your mobile phone. So I'm going to enter my I'm going to enter my number starting from 8074 901 853. Okay, so that is the normal correct format. So you have to enter your home address. Okay, then select country, Nigeria, then select state, Lagos, and city, Ikorodu. And with all this information, so let me check properly. So you need to check and make sure everything is correct, and because they are going to use the information to contact you. That is it. Okay, I'm good to go. So I'm going to click on this button here, submit. So you can see registration successful. We deliver to any location in Nigeria. So now you have to read further information about your registration. Your registration was successful. Click the link to send. Click the link sent to you to your mail to verify your email. Check your spam folder if you do not see the email in your inbox. Verification email sent successfully. So you need to make sure that this message, you read it and then you follow the instruction. So now I'm going to my email account that I use for the registration. I will check my inbox now. So I'm going to refresh. So you can see it here. This is the verification, account verification link. Click on it. Okay. So the mail has been opened. Let me scroll down. All right. So you can click on verify. Oh, wow, 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 wow. So this is the message you are going to get after you follow all the steps. Easy. Okay. So thank you for verifying your email address. An account executive is reviewing your account and will call you within 24 hours. Should you need immediate activation, please call, or email or chat with us now. You will get an email notification after your account is activated. Boom. So you must have this message at the end of your verification, which simply means that in the next 24 hours you will get a call from this company, and after they call you to verify you are a human being, and you will be given your shipping address, warehouse shipping address in the US. And like I've been said earlier, so the address is what you are going to be using to shop on any USA website. So after you have been getting the address from this place, or from this place if you are not a Nigerian, but if you are a Nigerian, you get your shipping address from this company here. If you are not a Nigerian, you get your shipping address from this company. So after you have gotten your shipping address, you can come back to your DigiCycle profile after you have successfully update your USA phone number on the DigiCycle website. So this is where you now enter your USA warehouse shipping address. So the address you provide here will be the one they will send your phone to. So once they send your phone to the address, the company will receive the phone, and then you will be given the tracking number from this site, so that you'll be using it to track you